it's amazing. Here at the Brain Fitness Center, I can't express hardly in words what has happened. I experienced a brain injury 13 years ago. A friend introduced me to this program, and amazingly, in just 10 hours, 13 years, 10 hours. In 10 hours, I don't want to be too emotional, I feel almost like my old self again. I feel confident. I feel movement. I can't explain what David Mumm does. I don't know, it's magical. But all of a sudden, my body opens up and there's reflexes I haven't been able to use. I didn't even know that I was missing, and all of a sudden they're there. I can think again. I have memory. This ear, this side, my brain didn't translate it as quickly, so I would hear a garble, like a half step. A sound was like a half step behind. I would have to look at people's faces and concentrate when I was in conversation with them, and concentrate on what they were saying by mostly reading their lips, especially if there was surrounding noise. And when that was released and we were done with the session, it was amazing to me. I could go to the window and hear clearly the birds sing. I hadn't heard clearly birdsong in 13 years. To listen to loved ones' voices, my children, my grandchildren, my husband, or friends, or even the stranger on the street, was a true task for me, and now it's returned to normal, and it's easy. And it was so simple for him to correct it. It's amazing to me. There were a couple other things that were challenging to me. I had a difficult time with sleep. David corrected that rapidly in just a few short things. Now I sleep 6, 7, 8 hours. I sleep through the night. I'm not falling asleep in meetings. I'm not falling asleep in church. I feel more confident when I go out. I feel more rested. Every day brings a new improvement. I feel that this is a lasting foundation, that I can move on with my life and obtain things that I felt I could never, ever have hope for again. And I have hope. I have joy and a tremendous sense of peace.